Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account. Friends, in Facebook you have both the options to temporarily or permanently deactivate your Facebook account. So to do so you need to open Facebook app. Now here press on the three lines. Now press on settings and privacy. Now here press on settings. Now press on account center. Here you will find option manage accounts. Press on it. Now here on your Facebook account, press on manage. Now here you will find option to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account. Press on it. Now to delete your Facebook account permanently, you need to select delete account and press on continue. So friends, after pressing on continue, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So friends, like this you can very easily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.